These are my dogs. This is Pudding and this is Sky down here. And sometimes the dogs, you know, they periodically will get stuff in their eyes just because like Pudding has a lot of hair right here. So there's a lot of times where just hard, you know, just stuff gets in there. And so we're trying to get it out. So these were actually sent to me for review. These are pet eye wipes, which are really cool. So you can actually use these to clean their eyes and around their face. They're unscented, which is great. And they are natural extracted formula. They are gentle and pet safe, which is super important. And they are biodegradable, so I'm excited to give these a shot on these doggies. So here they are in the package, and I like that you have it so full, like they actually literally hit the top of the area here. So here's the wipe, and it is nice and it is already moisturized, which is good. It feels like it already has some moisture on it. So I would just take this and use this on the dog's eyes just to wipe off any impurities or any you know, hair or anything that they have. So it's pretty easy. You just have to do this on them. And just it'll take off some of the impurities on the little wipe. And again, it's super gentle, and you can see here that she doesn't mind it. In fact, she's inviting it just to kind of help get those things off her face. Good girl, good girl. So final thoughts on these. Pudding is very happy with them. So they work really, really well. I do like that you have a full container. I think that's really great. And then I do like that they're so gentle. I think the fact that they're unscented is really good for the dogs because they're not gonna get weirded out by it. I do like how gentle these are. So yes, definitely work really well, and I'm excited to incorporate this into our routine.